the ability to get on with others, to engage with them, to lead them, to adapt, be flexible.
These are really vital skills and attributes that young people and old people need to nurture as soon as possible.
My name is Sarita. I'm Italian. I've been living in Ireland for the last 6 years. Especially in my first couple of years, I realized that 50% of the job descriptions are about soft skills. They value the way you work in a team, they value your leadership. I realized I was prepared for this.
Our integrated learning program is perfect for learners of all ages, no matter if you're at the beginning of your career or at the end of your career. This course is based on research from British universities and from the World Economic Forum, and they all tell us the same thing. The essential skills for the future are critical thinking, creativity, communications, and leadership skills. In one of our workshops, we focus on design and creativity. We look at how professional designers take concepts such as a fridge or a car and develop something new and fantastic. And we use the same techniques they use to show our students how to improve their creativity.
The most important thing is not the issue itself. It's about the process of solving the problem in a creative way.
For me, the best part for that program is to think differently. First time I need to think about myself, what I think about that object, and then I'm sharing my ideas with my friends and compensate each other's ideas together and make my ideas wider than before.
These types of additional enriching educational experiences are unique opportunities to, yes, complement your formal education, but also differentiate yourself in the world of work, which is ever-changing and ever-demanding of the future of employees. So actually, dedicated, deliberate practice in developing the whole individual is vital to ensure that tomorrow's world is full of thinkers, innovators and problem solvers.
What we've done within Enterprise Ireland alongside the government is try to connect up our universities and colleges to these multinational and Irish companies, and in so doing bringing students into and through that experience as well. Over 60% of students go on to third level here in Ireland, which is one of the highest in the OECD. That's very attractive for an employer.
For the first time, students can improve their English and learn essential soft skills. So you can improve your English and learn to be creative. You can improve your English and learn to be a better leader, and you can improve your English and learn to be a better creative thinker.
So in today's environment, when you're looking for that job, the sort of things that you should be considering are your ability to communicate, to get on with others, to lead, to innovate, be flexible, adaptive, and above all, be curious and be prepared to continue learning throughout your career.
Book a course at Emerald, you won't regret it. It's unmissable.
Creativity, problem solving, leadership, team building, time management. These are the soft skills which are being identified by multinationals and by government as essential in our present transforming society. Come, join us in this adventure. Enjoy Dublin, enjoy Emerald.